Hello everyone, welcome to Zenith Quest. Nice meeting you all. Today we are going to see what is Google Colab, why every developers are using Google Colab, what are the advantages and how to do the setup. Okay, because it is a free tool and it is easy to use. Earlier I used various IDEs, but after entering into this Google Colab, I found it is too user friendly. And especially when we are dealing with ML programs, deep learning, and other NLP activities, this Google Colab helped a lot. Okay, so let's see, because also like it is giving, if you look over here, right, the RAM 12.68 GB RAM it is giving, so that the processing speed will be good, and also like 107.72 GB, right, of disk space it is giving. And we can connect Python and other, there are various other programs we can connect it. So let's go step by step. In this session, I will explain, okay, what is Google Colab, and also I will give you how to do the setup. I will execute a sample simple Python program so that you will come to know. Okay, so don't miss it. I do use other tools, but I found this more user friendly because the speed was more. Okay, so this is, as I said, it is free to use. Okay, and the computing resources including GPUs and TPUs. Okay, it is giving. So you know, you should be knowing what is GPU and TPU. That is one of the advantage. And no setup required, right? We need not to install, or we need not to download, and we need not to install any software for this Google Colab. Okay, because it is a cloud operated version. So it is available. If you have Google account, you are eligible for a Google Colab. Okay, and start using it right way, right? Like I need not to, it should not be that only in the present desktop or in the present laptop it should be available. You can go anywhere else and you can connect it, right? You can go to that Google Colab and you can access your programs. And the next is web based, right? You can access from anywhere, and the collaborative, it is easy to share, right? You can, if you by right clicking, and if you give the share option, you can get the link, and you can provide the restriction, like whom do you want to share. So these type of advantages are there. So you can see in the diagram, right, like it is multi-cloud and it is a OneDrive, and it can cloud convert, and these are the features it is providing for us. Okay, and we main thing, we can run machine learning experiments, right, like logarithmic arithmetic operations, logistic expressions, all these things we can execute over here. Even deep learning you can try over here, NLP projects, and even some of the like chatbot experiments also can be done with the help of Google Colab. So whatever you are doing in other IDEs earlier, like Jupyter, Visual Studio Code, those type of operations you can do over Google Colab. Okay, so if you are a data scientist, this is a wonderful tool. Okay, the next is like it can help in data analysis also. We may think that only specific tools, there are visualization tools like Tableau, there are like Power BI, those are the only tools where we can do the visualization. It's not like that. Those has its own advantage, but certain cases with the help of Google Colab, also you can bring the same visualization and analysis. You can do all the analysis part over here. Okay, so it's not a must that only in a certain IDs it will come. So you can do the same data analysis over here. It can predict fast compared to other IDs, and visualization also, right? As I can said, like not only the Power BI and Tableau, it has its own advantage, but the same operations, whatever it was doing in Power BI and Tableau, you can do over in Google Colab. Because imagine if your company is a startup, okay, you may not have the finance or the monetary terms to purchase a Tableau or Power BI license for everyone. But whereas if it is a small startup where you are the owner and where you are the developer, at that time you can use this Google Colab. You can bring your desired visualization, so you can do the cost cutting. Okay, and you can bring that all visualizations over here. We will do all these things step by step, like how we can do data analysis, and we can do visualization, we can execute ML programs, Python, ChatGPT, all these things we will work with the help of Google Colab over here in the days to come. Okay, so please don't miss to subscribe, don't miss to click the like button, okay, and share it with your friends and follow us. Do keep comments also. Okay, So we have seen and also, right, we can teach and it can learn also, right? It is like a symbiosis type, right? Both mutual benefit, right? I am learning and I am teaching, right? Like how I am doing over here. We can do our experiments with the help of Google Colab, and at the same time, you can share those uh, the code in GitHub or in other social medias like LinkedIn or YouTube's. That also you can share. So definitely, in order to teach, you need to learn, right? First, we need to learn, then only we will be able to teach. So after learning and after teaching, definitely we will gain the confidence, right? It will help us to clear the interviews because the concepts will be strong, and definitely it will help to move to greater heights, right? And so yeah, so after you learn and you teach, obviously you will earn. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so definitely our satisfaction also will be on. Okay, so now let's go into the practical part. Okay, so this is my Google account. Okay, so Google account, this is my Gmail. Okay, so here this will be okay. I have a Gmail account. That's it. I record for a Google Colab. So go over here. Okay, and this is the drive. Okay, Google Drive. Click the Google Drive. Okay, so here is the Google Drive. It is empty. Okay, so here if you want, I can create a folder. Okay, I'm creating a folder. For example, experiment. Okay, I'm creating a folder name experiments. Okay, it has been created. Okay, so that is easy, guys. Okay, if, like and then over here, so how to bring the Google Colab, right? Okay, because you should go over here and press this thing. Since I have already used this Google Collaboratory is there, right? This is the Google Colab. Okay, in case if this Google Colab is not in this list, go over here. Okay, just hold on, guys. Okay, and type it here. Okay, Colab or Google Colab. If you do, you will see. Okay, since I have already installed, you can see, okay, there is installed. Otherwise I need to download. See, for example, if I want to translate video, like this type of operations, if I click, it will ask me to download or install. Since I have already installed, that is not there. Okay, guys, so that is the thing. Simple. It will ask your email ID or other basic information. Okay, that alone it will ask. Then what you should do, go over here. Okay, the same way, Google Colab. Okay, so it is downloading. It is just buffering, not downloading. Okay, so it has come. Okay, this will be the basic Google Colab, guys. Okay, so usually since it is a Python program, like it will be like IPYNB. Okay, if I want to make it like test1, okay, I'm changing the name of test1. Test1. Okay, I'm going here, and here we will be executing we'll be writing the code, and this is the way we should execute. Okay, so in order to bring more number of cells, click this code over here. Okay, so this is the part. If you want to add some description over here, okay, you can add. This is a demo. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, so it will be like this, and if you want to bring this up, it will come up. So here, this is the demo. Okay, if you want to make it like a bold, italize, like that, you can make. If you want to make a hyperlink, if you want to bring over, insert a image, these type basic operations. Okay, that you can do. Okay, so this is for listing some items. Anything if you want to add like bulletings, that you can do over here. Okay, so this is the basic part. Okay, if you want to delete, you can delete over here. Okay, this is the one I'm deleting it. Okay, as of now, not required. Maybe if you want, I can keep it like text I'm keeping. This is for demo. Okay, so see now if you directly execute, okay, you should know where is the location. Okay, it will be difficult to understand. So for that, what you should do means go this files you can see over here, right? Press this files button. Okay, you will get into this. Okay, so see, like where we have done this part in experiments, right? This is the experiment folder. In the experiment folder, the test.1 IP test1.ip1 nb is there, right? Okay, so okay, so now again, because this is not the directory part. Okay, these are all the files. Okay, so now this is for refreshing part. Okay, to refresh. If I want this file has to be saved in this place, okay, what I will do means go over here. Okay, so it is mounting the drive. Okay, it is asking permit this notebook to access your Google Drive files. If it asks, press the okay button. It is mounting. Okay, just hold. Okay, so this has come. Okay, guys, this means we are in the proper directory of here. Okay, see, you can see my drive, because by after clicking over here this drive, we came into this page. From there, I created an experiment folder. Now, same my drive is present over here. Okay. Sometimes here it will be asking you, okay, to mount the drive, like that one option will be there. If you execute that, you will get over here. Okay. So you bring down here. This is my drive. Okay. You can see this is the experiments folder, right, which you have done. And inside the experiment folders, you can see test1.ipynb. For a safer side, what you should do, okay, copy the right click over here, go to this experiments, because in this experiments, I need to execute, right? Copy this path. There is a command cd, okay, single quote. Okay, so if I execute this means it will C means like cd means it will open this directory. Okay, whatever the files or whatever the changes you are doing, it will be present over here. Okay, so I am pressing over here, it will give the okay. So this is the content drive, my drive experiments. Okay, so it is over here. Okay, it is over here, and if I do ls means it will give what are the list of files present inside. Okay, so there is only one program test 1.ip1 by which we are doing, that it is executing. Okay, so mainly this is the way, okay, to do. Now let's do a small uh, print statement. Okay, print, this is a Python command, right? Print welcome to Zenith Quest early learning. Okay, see, it has printed. That means it is executing fine. Okay, so this is the way you need to execute. Okay, if you are not providing this link over here, right, there may be chances, okay, it can write to somewhere else. Then you may need be in a position to search where it has written all the your files, all the things. For a safer side, because in this experiment folders, that is meant for you, you can rename it. If you want to rename, you can rename this folder. If you want to add a new folder inside this folder, you can add, copy the path, refresh. Okay, so see the advantage, guys. Okay, see 80.68 GB is available. Okay, out of this, right, disk is 107.72 GB. The disk is 27.04. If you want to look more detailed, right, see over here. See, connected to Python 3 Google Compute Engine backend. The RAM, see the RAM, guys. Okay, RAM is 0.90 GB out of 12.68 GB, and the disk says total is 107.72 GB. In there, 27.04 has been used. So such a huge, especially if you are a learner, if you are a beginner in Python, this is a wonderful tool, because wherever you go, you can take it, because these are all right. You can just go over here. This is the part actually. Okay, I am saving it. Okay, since it is cloud based, it can easily it can save. And if you want to download also, right, you can download.ip1y means if you download, you will it will be uh, downloaded to the record place where you want. So that is simple. Okay, so This is the part actually, and the main advantage is the memory, guys. Okay, you can use, especially if you're running for ML, if you're running for deep learning. This is one of the tool to do your experiments. Okay, so other things are there, like we will go step by step. Okay, today let's not do all the things one at a time. So that is the beauty of this, and I hope you liked this session. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't miss to click the bell icon, and please like it, share it to your friends, and follow us. Also, please do comment your comments in the below description, or you can do your comments in the below icon, so that we will stay together, we will stay united, and we can keep going. Okay, guys, take care. Bye. Meet you again.